Meaning of Henry Moore.
Henry Moore.
Henry Moore.
Henry Moore.
Henry Moore. Henry Moore, 1898 to 1986, was an English sculptor and artist, best known for his bronze abstract forms. His work often focused on the human figure and its relationship to nature, with many pieces incorporating organic shapes and textures. Moore's contributions to modern art are significant. His sculptures can be seen in public spaces around the world, and he is widely regarded as one of the most important British artists of the 20th century. His legacy continues to inspire future generations of artists and art lovers alike.